We got houses here,
He's just
nigga.
doing that for protection,
Yeah,
bro.
bro.
But it's gonna make it unstable.
No, it's not, nigga. Bro, look at the inside of that.
Let me see, bro. I hope it's right, bro. I'm just kind of sketched out by it.
It's not making. Bro, it's a fucking rim. It's gonna be there.
I mean, bro, I hope. That looks pretty unstable, bro. I don't look like a very flat surface, bro.
It does, it does. So let's get a flatter one.
I mean, bro, look, just set it on the concrete. If you're scared, do it on the concrete.
No, that's too close to that house. So what, right here?
Bro, look, either way, if that bitch, Joel, look, if that bitch tips over and it falls, it's gonna hit. I would go to small fireworks to
right
big.
there, you feel me? Look, it's getting dark though.
Joel, can the kids do some of these right now?
No.
Look at these.
It's getting dark.
These are good for now.
See, we're almost getting ready to do it.
You know what? Just shoot them, shake them.
That shit was gay.
See? That's it.
You don't have to shake it, Luis. It's flying up either way.
I know, but it helps it.
That's it. That's all it was.
That bad, let the kids do it.
Darling. I want to see how it goes. Woo! That's it? That's all? Don't lie, Luis. That one was booty. One shot. It looked good in the air, and I didn't even catch it. So this one, I need to catch it. We're going to save the best one for the finale. The big ones for the finale. So let's go. You ready? Go ahead. Hopefully, thank God, it doesn't flip, nothing. It just stays straight. Nah, just do it like that, yeah. Put it in the floor first. Yeah, right there in the middle. Be careful. Let's go.
Get it, let's get it. Let's get it.
Yes, sir. Ooh, shit, them bitches hitting me, boy. And it's done. It's done.
There we go, there we go.
Let's go, baby.
There we go.
Let's go, baby. Ooh, I got hit. That is beautiful. Woo. Still going. Woo! Final. That was the final one. So what was it? You think, hey, let me ask you. Was it a good purchase or was it a bad purchase? It was worth it. It was worth it. We still haven't even done Mac Daddy yet.
Yeah, back then. Yeah, it's pretty good. How much you spent?
$350.
That's how you know he's Patreon.
Hey, step on my J. It's like
It's not a bad buy.
it was good.
It was all right.
It was fun.
No, get it right
both
in there.
have our cameras on.
You see, like your kid's gonna be a little YouTuber too. Look at her.
I know.
She out with the phone too.
I have no flashlight on because of the firework. I'm leaving the fireworks and stuff. But yeah, guys, family's enjoying it. There's tons of food that was cooked. His fat ass was eating a lot, boy. I haven't even ate my food yet.
Yeah, you was. Yeah, you was. You was eating all the food.
Exactly. Tell him, Bella. Yeah, she's snitching on you. You ready? You ready to turn Mac Daddy on? All right, Luis is the lighter boy. He's over here lighting them up. Sorry for the bad quality, but... Hey, Luis. I got the flash off the camera, so let's do it. This is the Mac Daddy. This is the biggest one I got. Yeah. This is 29 shots. Woo! It's gonna keep going, baby. Let's go, baby. Keep going. Woo! Still gonna go, so be careful. Or not. I don't know. They're still lit up, so don't go over there.